Hello everyone, today's menu will be MAIZE Supreme. This simple and delicious meal is sweet and savory for any day of the time. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. You're going to want to bring a pot of water to a boil. When it's boiling, you want to add in your noodles. And then I'm just going to add in a little bit of salt. And then you just want to cook this until it's nice and al dente. And then you'll want to drain and rinse under cold water. In the skillet over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in some oil. And then I'm going to add in the onions and carrots. And then I'm just going to cook it for a few minutes until it's tender. Okay, after 5 minutes of cooking, I'm just going to move the veggies to the edge. And then I'm just going to add on the ground beef. And I'm just going to break it up. And then I'm just going to cook this until the meat is nice and brown, anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, once the meat is nice and brown, I'm going to add in the creamed corn. Along with some garlic powder. And the cooked pasta. And then I'm just going to give it a nice stir to combine everything well. And then at this point you can go ahead and turn off the heat. And then if you want some heat, you can go ahead and add some cayenne pepper, but I'm not going to add any today. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then here in my casserole dish I already greased the side and the bottom. And then I'm just going to dump in my mixture. And then I'm just going to give it a quick little smooth down, just a tad bit. And then I'm going to dump in the can of chicken and rice soup all around. And then I'm just going to kind of wiggle them in there a little bit, just so the juice can run inside toward the bottom. Okay, and then I'm just going to smooth them a little bit. And then I'm going to grab a piece of foil. And then I'm just going to cover it loosely. And then they are ready to go into the oven. Here is the end result of the MAIZE Supreme. I hope you will give this recipe a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.